If Firefox keeps crashing on your Intel device, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple fixes that can help get it running smoothly again. We're going to update Firefox, turn off hardware acceleration, and clear the browser cache. These are the most common fixes for random crashes, freezes, and sudden browser shutdowns. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's update Firefox. Open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu button with the 3 horizontal lines. Then choose Help, and then click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates. And if there's a newer version available, it will download and install it for you. Make sure you let that process finish completely. Updating Firefox is important because newer versions often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and stability patches that can solve crash issues, especially on Intel-based systems. Once the update is done, restart Firefox if it asks you to. Now let's move on to the next fix. Go back to the Firefox menu and click Settings. On the Settings page, use the search box and type Performance. This will take you directly to the performance options. Here, you'll want to uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. As soon as you do that, another option will appear below it. Now, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This is one of the most important steps for Intel devices because hardware acceleration can sometimes cause rendering problems, screen glitches, or full browser crashes depending on the graphics driver and system configuration. After unchecking it, close and restart Firefox so the change can take effect properly. If Firefox was crashing because of a graphics conflict, this alone may fix the problem. Next, let's clear the cache. Cached files can become corrupted over time, and that can cause weird browser behavior, loading issues, and crashes. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Recent History window. Make sure the cache option is selected. If you see other options and you only want to target cached files, focus on the Cache checkbox, then click Clear. Give Firefox a moment to finish removing the stored files. Once that's done, restart the browser again and test it out. At this point, you've done the 3 best troubleshooting steps for fixing Firefox crashes on Intel devices. You updated the browser, disabled hardware acceleration, and cleared the cache. In many cases, that's enough to stop the crashing and bring Firefox back to normal. If the browser is still having issues after this, you may want to check your Intel graphics drivers next, but these steps are the best place to start. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.